Frederik here. Today we're going to have a look at a little simple postural drill. It's called the Postural Reset. Oftentimes when talking about posture and talking about changing the habits around posture, there is this popular notion of just pulling the shoulders back as correcting posture. And what that does is basically just contract the rhomboids. The rhomboids can do that job for about 10-20 seconds, and then they stop doing it. So we need a slightly different approach to approach the topic of postural reset. So here is a little drill that goes into some detail about how to do this. So the first thing to note about the postural reset, or to test if it's something that you might need to do, is just note where the thumbs rest when you're standing idle. And if there's any element of the thumbs pointing inward, pointing towards each other rather than pointing straight ahead in the room, then there might be something to gain from this drill. So the execution of the drill is quite simple. We're simply going to start by just orienting our head in space and just noticing where the crown of the head is. So there's a little thing called the fontanelle, or there used to be a thing called the fontanelle. You had it as a baby. So that thing, you want to just find a little bit of upward lift there. When you have that idea, then you're simply going to take one shoulder, pull it forward, bring it up, back, and then down. You do the same on the other side, so shoulder forward, up, back, and down. So it's kind of like you're taking the whole shoulder girdle and kind of like you're reaching with the arm to put the hand into a back pocket. And you'll notice from a side view that you're basically taking the whole shoulder girdle and then positioning it to the back. And what that does is it moves the whole shoulder girdle, and rather than having to contract the rhomboids to keep the shoulders in position, they sit there and just find a more comfortable resting position. So that's the basis of the postural reset. It's just finding another, reset position for the shoulders, which makes it a lot easier to maintain a good upright position. Yeah, have a little bit of a play with it and let me know what you think about the whole thing in the comments below. And if you like it, leave a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.